Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to be making you a pecan pie, but not exactly the kind of pecan pie you're thinking of. We're making a pecan pie cocktail using our Crema pecan pie syrup. So this is a great syrup to use in coffee, tea, milkshakes, and even cocktails like we're gonna make today. It provides nice, bright pecan pie flavor. You're gonna get the crust, the filling, and it also has dairy in it, so it's a little bit creamier, which is why I decided we should pair it with some rum chata and bourbon. So this is gonna be a pretty strong cocktail, but the combination of these three is absolutely delicious, and it makes for a really great dessert cocktail. I'm making this for two, so if you wanna just make one, just cut the recipe in half. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our cocktail shaker, and we're going to literally add everything into here and shake it up. Super easy recipe. You know I love easy recipes. So we're gonna do 4 pumps of the Crema pecan pie syrup. I'm going to do 3 ounces each of our bourbon and rum chata. So my shaker here is just 1 ounce, so I'm gonna do 3 of these. 3 ounces of bourbon, any kind of bourbon you prefer. Now we just add ice and give it a super good shake. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside, and before we fill our glasses, I'm going to garnish them. So I have right here just some agave. You can use simple syrup, even like lemon or lime juice. I'm going to gently rim my glass with that. And then right next to it here, I just have a cinnamon sugar mixture. You can make this your own, just combine some sugar and some cinnamon, or you can buy it pre-made in the store. 1 glass down. Now we got 2, and now let's just evenly divide our cocktail into our glasses. And there you have it, a pecan pie cocktail. Cheers, let's give this a try. Oh yeah, that is delicious. Definitely has a kick to it, but the addition of our Crema pecan pie and the rum chata, which is very mild in flavor. I mean, it's very flavorful, but it also adds a nice touch of creaminess to this cocktail, so it doesn't seem too overpowering. So this is a great way to finish off a nice dinner, have a little dessert cocktail, kick back and relax and let everything digest. So I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try at home. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. You also should make sure you subscribe to our channel right there. Click the link down there that says subscribe, because that way you're never going to miss new recipes like this, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. You can also find us on social media as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time.